Hello, my name is Rick, and today we're going to be talking about saltwater fishing lures. What is a lure? A lure is a simulated fish or a bait attached to a fishing line and a reel. We're going to be fishing from a boat, sometimes moving, sometimes while we anchor. We're going to divide lures into three parts. We're going to divide lures, depends on what we fish. If we fish on the top water, we're going to call them top water lures, mid water lures, and bottom water lures. And the top water lures, we're going to have lures like this, for example, that it has a lot of buoyancy. That means that it floats. It has a rattle, which also will make a noise, and it will trigger a reaction to the fish to bite. We also have a bullet. What we're gonna be using this kind of lures while the boat is moving at high speed. So we also, on the top water, we're gonna divide it into high speed and low speed lures. And the mid-size water, we're gonna have lures like this, like a spoon, where we're gonna be it has a little weight and it will simulate a fish also. Then we have this kind of fish, this kind of lure, which is an eel. An eel is an ideal bait fish for some predators like wahoo and tuna or barracuda. Also has a long nose here that will allow it to dive to a certain point. Also we have as another simulated fish is a very good lure for wahoo, like this, for example, with the bright color at a high speed. Then we're gonna have what we call the divers. This is a lure that simulates a Spanish mackerel, and that's an ideal bait for some fish. This, for example, here, this nose will determine how deep it will dive. This is a 15 feet diver, and it will dive to up to a 15 feet, and then it will continue moving at that speed. This is a larger version of this kind of lures. This is a deep diver with a 40 feet nose that will dive 40 feet. It has a noise, and this will be used for big tuna, 200-300 pound tuna, very effective. Then we have bottom lures, which is, for example, this kind of lures, which is called a jig. It has a heavy weight here, a lead part, and it has the feathers here. The reason is bright because at the bottom the water is not so bright as the top, so we have more contrast. And then at the bottom then we're gonna have jigs, small jigs for a less depth type of fishing. For example, here we have these two types of jigs, very effective for snappers or small fish. Depends on what we're fishing. As we mentioned before, darker colors will be used during the day because it will be more contrast, and lighter colors during the afternoon or at night. I hope this helped you a little bit with the understanding of saltwater lures, and I wish you the best of luck fishing, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.